In this tutorial, we'll show you how to connect your xTool device to XCS. You can connect via USB, Wi-Fi, IP, or Ethernet. For your first setup, we recommend using USB. Let's get started. Here we'll use F1 Ultra as an example. First, connect your machine to your computer using a USB cable. Other models may require different machine connection methods, so please double-check their unboxing videos. Click the connection icon on the screen to enter the device connection page, then select Connect Device. Choose USB as the connection method. Your machine should now appear in the USB device list. Select your machine and click Connect to complete the connection. Once this is done, the settings will be saved to your machine, and you're all set to use it. If you want to use your device wirelessly in the future, like through Wi-Fi or IP, you'll first need to connect via USB to complete the initial setup. After connecting successfully, go to Device Settings in XCS. Under Basic Info, find the Wi-Fi settings and enter your Wi-Fi name and password. Make sure your computer and machine are on the same network. Avoid using special characters in your Wi-Fi name or password, as they may cause connection issues. Once connected, a confirmation message will appear. Next, go to the device connection page and switch to Wi-Fi mode. Select your computer and you'll see the connection mode switch to Wi-Fi. At this point, you can disconnect the USB cable. From now on, as long as your computer and the machine are on the same network, you can use the wireless connection. You can also connect via IP by entering the IP address shown on the configuration page. The process works the same as Wi-Fi. If you're having trouble connecting your xTool device, here are a few steps to troubleshoot. For Wi-Fi or IP connections, please double-check your network connections. For USB or Ethernet connections, check that the cables are securely plugged in and that your xTool is powered on. If you still can't connect, open XCS and click on Connection Help to find helpful troubleshooting articles. If the issue persists, submit a help ticket through our support page, and our team will respond within 24 hours. We're here to help. Now that your xTool is connected to XCS, it's time to dive into editing and designing your projects. In the next video, we'll show you tools for editing your designs. See you there.